Alright guys, so are you also confused what to do after class 12th? Which career option to be opted? Okay, so here in this video we are going to tell you about a profession called merchant navy. So you might be knowing about Titanic and you might be knowing Captain Jack Sparrow too. So this is something related to merchant navy. Okay, captain, you are going to become the captain of the ship. What you will be running a whole ship throughout the water. This is all about merchant navy. So in this merchant navy profession, basically this merchant navy profession is divided into two sectors. First is deck side, second is engine side, and one more is there, that is saloon catering department. First, in deck side, there to get like in deck side, you will be doing navigation. Navigation means you will be carrying out the navigation throughout the way, throughout the sea, and you will be carrying out all the navigational operation, such as you will be sailing through different seas, different oceans. You will be getting to know different countries and all and all. So basically, to become a captain of the ship, first thing you have to do is to opt a course. There are two options specified for this. First option is DNS, Diploma in Nautical Science, which is a 1-year course. Second is BSc Nautical Science, which is a 3 years course. So these two are the option to get into navigation sector of the merchant navy profession. And if you want to become a captain, then this is the only way to become a captain, that is navigation side. So basically the captain is the topmost rank of the ship. So basically this navigation side starts from deck cadet. Deck cadet is a trainee cadet which is there in on board ship to get trained. Second is your third officer. Then after that second officer, then after that you will be promoted to chief officer. Then after chief officer you will be the overall in charge of the ship, the captain. So this is all about deck side, navigation side. So in this video we will be specifically talking about BSc Nautical Science, and in upcoming video we will also be talking about some other courses. Like I have already told, it is divided into two sections, deck side and engine side. So engine side, in that there are two courses again. First is GME, Graduate in Marine Engineering, that is 1-year course, and second is BTech in Marine Engineering, that is 4-year course. Okay, so we will tell you how to get into this field, how to opt a course, how to clear exams, how to get a placement and job. My name is MD Hidayat Ali and I am a BSc Nautical Science final year cadet, got placed in DMECO shipping company. So we team of HIMT is guide you throughout the way.
Good day everyone. Myself Anandu PS, a first year BSc Nautical Science cadet from the College of HIMT, Chennai, who is here to guide you through the process to become a sailor cadet like us and take on this huge responsibility. Now, if you are in 12th standard or have completed 12th, go look up IMUCET, the common entrance test conducted by Indian Maritime University. It is an entrance program which paves way to join courses of BSc in Nautical Science, Diploma in Nautical Science and BTech in Marine Engineering. Now, coming to the eligibility of the entrance, you have to be following science stream in 11th and 12th, and you should have a minimum 60% in PCM in 12th standard and minimum of 50% in 10th and 12th. So now coming more over to my course, that is BSc Nautical Science. It is a 3-year undergraduate program where you will learn more about seamanship, nautical physics, nautical maths, chart work, cargo operations and more stuff. So if I have given you some awareness and you are interested in joining this course, look it up. Thank you.
Okay, so it's time for the most awaited part of the video, the placement record of BSc Nautical Science. So as I told you, I am also a BSc Nautical Science final year cadet and I got placed in my 4th semester. Actually, this BSc Nautical Science course consists of 6 semesters, in which I got placed in my 4th semester, that is 2nd year itself. So with this only you can have an idea that there is a good placement record. Talking about my seniors, the batch which has already been passed out, in their batch around more than 90% got placed and others are still going through the placement processes via college. So you can have an idea that placement you will be getting, just you need to be academically good. Okay, so let me tell you about some of the companies coming into this college. Like as I told you, I am placed in DMECO. So one is the DMECO, Dynacom, Molta, Molmi, MSC, Goodwood, Zodiac Shipping, and so many other companies are also coming into this college. To get to know about more of the companies which are coming into this college, you can go to the official website of HIMT and you can get an idea through there.
Now that you know about our placement records, let me take you to our daily routine and schedule. As we are a regimental merchant navy college, every day starts early. Cadets are usually up by 5 a.m. and they are in minutes, they are in PT rigs. The morning drill is intense, but it sets a disciplined tone for the rest of the day. The morning drill consists of strength training, running, and stretching exercises. After PT muster, cadets return back to their cabins for shower, changing into uniform, and having their breakfast. After breakfast, cadets are supposed to make their bed and come back for the 7:30 color muster parade. The day transitions into academic classes, where subjects like navigational subjects, physics, mathematics, cargo, and many more are taken care of. Alongside theory, practical sessions are also added in the curriculum. Around noon, there is time for lunch, where galley becomes a social space. At 3:45, cadets are supposed to go back to their cabins, where they take a half an hour of break before coming back for the 4:30 muster. Afterwards, there is time for sports, where games like basketball, badminton, cricket, and football are played. The physical fitness is emphasized as it's necessary for the life at sea. After dinner, there are designated hours for the students to study. They study their theory, the practical exams, and further assessments for their final practicals. Afterwards, at 10 o'clock, the lights are out and the day officially ends.
I am Madhav Sharma from BSc Nautical Science first year. Now I will tell you how to join HIMT college for BSc Nautical Science. After clearing IMUCT exam, you have to go to application portal of HIMT official website. You have to fill the application form, all the necessary details, and after that you have to pay the application fees. You can select the interview dates as per your convenience. After clearing the interview, you will get an allotment letter from the college. After getting the allotment letter, your seat is confirmed in BSc Nautical Science in HIMT College, Chennai.
I am Priyanka Verma from BSc Nautical Science. I will be talking about co-education in HIMT. Historically, maritime institutions were predominantly male. But in recent years, many maritime training centers have opened their doors to female cadets, HIMT being one of them, to promote gender equality and diversity within the industry. Equal opportunities. Both male and female cadets here undergo the same training program, which includes physical as well as practical training. The training here is typically focused on teamwork and leadership qualities. The inclusion of females in merchant navy is rising, and HIMT promotes it. Now we are having female cadets in BSc, BTech and DNS also. Separate accommodations. We are having separate accommodations for male and female cadets to maintain privacy and comfort. HIMT contains certain committees for safety, anti-ragging committee and harassment committee being one of them. There are separate support group for girl cadet also, where they can approach the female cadets and tell about their problems and get solutions. Thank you.
So after this, you might have got some idea about what is Merchant Navy, how to join Merchant Navy, how to pursue BSc Nautical Science, what is BSc Nautical Science, what all things we do in the training institute, what is the placement record in HIMT, and what is the process to join HIMT, and which all courses are there in HIMT. So after this, if you are interested to join HIMT, you can go to the HIMT official website, you can apply for your interested course, and you can get into this field. Thank you.